I'm going to be doing another drawing. This giveaway that I'm about to do for reaching 10,000 subscribers is going to be special. I will be announcing soon what the special item will be, but along with that item will also be an apron if you would like, or if you haven't already watched my keto onion ring video, you can pick from one of the other two prizes that are on there. But now let's get to making this delicious cheeseburger melt. Today we're going to be making McDonald's cheeseburger hot pockets, and one of the things you need on a cheeseburger is ketchup. So I'm going to show you guys my quick and easy way to make ketchup first, and you can make it in either a regular or spicy version. Now we're going to be using a 12-ounce can of tomato paste, and feel free to use a 6-ounce can if you want to make less. Now go ahead and transfer the tomato paste into your food processor, and make sure to save the can, because then you'll have one less measuring cup to clean. Now the next thing you probably throw away, but you won't after this video. Did you guess it? It's pickle juice. Guys, this brine makes the perfect ketchup, especially for a cheeseburger. Simply fill your 6 or 12-ounce can with the brine and add it to your food processor. Then you're going to give it a couple quick bursts until it's nice and smooth, like this. And I always keep my old container so that I can transfer things like this ketchup for later use. Alright, so now that we have that ketchup done, I'm going to show you how I make my burgers for this recipe, because these burgers have to be made a special way in order to work for this recipe. And something else is these burgers are so thin, the method I'm going to show you will make a great meat lover's carnivore or keto pizza. And I prefer these 1-pound small packages because it's so easy to cut them into 1/4 or 1/8 pound burgers. Now you can use a burger smasher for this process, but this is what I like to do. Go ahead and press it out, and then take the bottom of a good pan. Notice this is a good thick pan. Now I want you to see right here what happens when you go to press this down. Now this burger will actually stick, but simply using a sheet of parchment paper will solve this problem. Now simply press out your burger till it's the thickness you desire. Then simply let the pan set on the burger till it's cooked. Then remove the parchment paper, and notice here, if you do it this thin, it makes a perfect carnivore pizza crust. But the simplest way for me is to actually just smash it and then use my spatula to gently remove it. And would you look at this beautiful burger? Alright, now that we have those burgers made, let me show you how I make these cheeseburger pockets. Now it's important that the burger is not bigger than the grill you're using. You do not want it to interfere with the seam. Now I use a large cookie cutter like this that fits my grill perfectly. And here's one of those trimmed patties. Now it's also important to trim the cheese. You'll see why here in a second. Now close your grill so that the cheese can melt. Once melted, go ahead and remove it and place it on a plate. Now butter or grease the surface of your grill and add a tortilla. And I highly recommend you use my latest new keto tortilla recipe. Now it's important when placing your tortilla to keep it as close to this hinge without getting it too close to the back. This will ensure a good seal on your Hot Pocket. Now you'll notice here, I didn't trim this cheese. And I'll show you why here in a sec. Now you can go ahead and add your pickles and your condiments, but make sure to keep them center of the burger. Now get that second tortilla, place it over it, again making sure to pay attention to the hinge area and close it up. Now you want to close it up and apply pressure. This is going to actually make that seal, and this is where if you left cheese overhanging, you will not get a proper seal, as you see here, which can be dangerous with that hot cheese. Go ahead and trim it up, and guys, you can use this method to make any Hot Pocket you would like. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Comment and share, and as always, I will see you in the next video.